Look at these flowers right here. Look how cool that looks. Okay, now we go this way. And we start this way. Go this way. Okay, that's like way better. And there is something new on this trail I made it so. And I can't make it any more trails anymore. So. Going. There's some pink ones right here. Some pink flowers right here. So it's kind of cool. Some more over here. Let's keep on going. Then you keep going this way. You can go this way, or you can go this trail over here, or that way right here. Or you can walk straight. There's this one. Right here. Some more pink flowers right here. Right here. There's this one right here, and this has called trails, walking trails. It's kind of cool. Then there's this one right here. Then you keep on going. There's this one right here. There's this one right here, or this one right here. This is like the newest kind of, I guess. You can go around the tree or just walk this way. That sounds cool. Then you go this way. You can go this trail right here. There's some stuff going on right here as well. This is the new trail man right now, so. Oh, there's a bird right there. I see it's on the tree. That sounds cool. This one, this is the new trail right here, it looks like. So there's this one. That's cool. Then you go this way. And there's this one right here. Some plants right there. And I'm going to show you opposite now. This is what it looks like up front, so that looks kind of cool this way. Back going. You go around here. And then there's this trail right here, if I gotta show you. There's this one. And then you go this way. Then this way. There's 3-way trails you can go. You can go this way, that way, or this way right here. So it looks. Keep going out. Let's go this way. Or this way right here. I gotta try this way. There's this way right here. This way or that way. That's basically it. Oh, don't forget to subscribe too and comment. I like the video. Look at all these trees. And I guess this would be part 2, I guess.